everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. I went to CVS actually pretty early. I just got home a couple hours ago and I just kind of decided to lollygag, eat some lunch, but I'm here to finally do my video and share with you guys what I got. Now, my store was about to put all their fall stuff at 90% off, so I always go and check it out, but they didn't have very much. A lot of it was like plates and cups and like placemats, which is stuff I really don't need, but they did have a couple things that I did get, so I'll show you guys that. But otherwise, I did my two transactions, one with one card and one with the other. I didn't have all the coupons that I wanted, so I think I'm going to go back when I go back on Thursday for my Black Friday haul to show you guys what I got. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting cookie cutters. These were $3 and I ended up getting them for 29 cents. I thought that this is kind of cool. I've always wanted to make fall cookies, so I got a pumpkin, a leaf, and a turkey. So I thought those would be super cute, you know, to do cookie cutting with Benjamin. So I ended up doing that. And I only had one of the Colgate Toothpaste coupons, so these were $3.50. You guys want to use that 50% off coupon that we got in today's paper. Plus there is a $3 off instant coupon that is printing from the red machine. You guys would just get this absolutely free. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. Now, this is a deal that ends today, so I wanted to do this while the coupons were still good. Is the Suave deal. Now I could not find my Suave coupons anywhere. I found one, and thankfully the other deal is you can still do it. If you guys don't have the shampoo conditioner, you guys can use it for the styling stuff. So I had one card I used for the shampoo and the other card I used for the styling. So these are 2 for $6. You guys want to use a 3 off of 2 coupon that does expire today, a Sunday. You guys would end up paying just $3 for this, but then you guys will get a $4 back ECB, making it a $1 moneymaker. So I made a $1 moneymaker for these and a $1 moneymaker for those. So wanted to share with you guys with that. Sorry, I have a box to put stuff in. I ended up getting the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. These were 2 for $7. I used a 3 off of 2 coupon that we got in today's paper. Plus I had a 3 off of 2 CRT for Garnier Fructis or whole blend, so I ended up using that. So I ended up paying $1 for these, but then you get $2 back in an ECB, making it a $1 moneymaker. So you can't go wrong with free shampoo and conditioner, so I wanted to do that. Now I was going to get the broth because I thought it was like the cardboard broth, but it was the cans, and I have a lot of canned broth already for this deal, so I decided just to get some soup. So I ended up getting Campbell's Soup. Now Fetch Rewards has a deal where if you guys buy 2 of the cream of chicken, which I thought was 500 points, but then when I submitted my receipt it was 250. So what you guys want to do is at least buy 2 of the cream of mushroom soups. So these were 3 for $3. You guys would pay $3 for this, but then you guys will get $2 back in an ECB, making it $1, making it about 33 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal, especially if you guys plan on doing some cooking or anything. So I got 2 cream of chicken, or 2 cream of mushrooms and 1 chicken noodle. And then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, so I got points for that, and I got that 250 point bonus, so I ended up wanting to do that. And I love Campbell's Soup. I love chicken noodle soup, so definitely wanted to do it that way. And then I also did it with my other card because I could not pass up that, so I ended up getting, I didn't want to take all the chicken noodle soup because I know that's what's going to sell the most, and they didn't have very much. So I ended up getting tomato soup and then the chicken and stars, so I thought that'd be great to have to stock up on that. I got like we're organizing my stockpile right now to put everything back, and I just have stuff like all over my desk. And no, I am not doing a stockpile video. I box everything up. So behind my camera is just a wall of boxes. So it's all labeled, ready to go. I don't really keep my stockpile on display unless it's stuff that I'm going to use. So wanted to do that. Now I ended up getting these sandwich bags. Now these are the zipper seal. These were $1. And then I just got one bag of the freezer ones. So these were all $1, but when I went to price scan them, they rang up 9 cents. I thought that was a pretty good deal. Now these are probably not the greatest brand to use, but I'm like, for 9 cents you can't go wrong. These are perfect to just put in whatever when I'm on the go. So I wanted to do that. I feel like I'm like missing a bunch of stuff, but I'm not. I ended up doing the Hall's cough drops. I don't like Hall's. I don't like the taste. I'm a huge Luden's fan, so I always give these away. But these were 2 for $4. I ended up using a $1.25 off a 2 coupon that we got from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $2.75 for this, but then you guys would get $2 back in an ECB, making it 75 cents for 2. So I thought that was a pretty good deal, so I wanted to share with you guys with that. And then I wanted to do some candy deals and some food deals. I feel like this is the week where I got a lot of food deals. So I did get some food deals and I did do some other deals. But I wanted to do gardels because I was just kind of craving gardels. So these were $1.99. You guys would pay $1.99 for this, but then you guys would get $1 ECB back, making it just 99 cents. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. Now you can do gardettos or Chex Mix, but I kind of like the gardettos. I like the bagel pieces a little bit better. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up doing the M&M deal. They are on sale right now for buy one, get one free. There's a coupon on the app where you guys get $1 off of 2, so I used that coupon. Plus I had $1 off of 2 CRT that I received from last week. So I ended up paying $2.39 for both of these. Not the greatest deal, but I think for $1.20 a bag, it's a pretty decent deal. So we're having a Christmas party in a couple weeks, so I thought that'd be perfect to have, you know, for people to grab and snack on those. And then I ended up getting this paparazzi. Oh, you can see the ball in here. That's cool. I ended up getting the paparazzi nail polish. I kind of like collecting all these. But these were 2 for $5. Now they have a deal where if you bought 2 of them, you get $4 in ECB, making them just 50 cents a piece. So we have a friend who has a little girl and she's obsessed with nail polish. So I'm always trying to get like different colors of nail polish that I know she doesn't have. So I ended up getting those for about 50 cents a piece. Then I got Hershey Kisses. Now I really wanted the Reese's, but I found a better deal with the CRTs that I had. So I'm like, I'll get these, but I really wanted the Reese's. But these were 2 for $6, and I think I'm going to get the Reese's when later on this week when I have another coupon. I just had one coupon, but I think I'm going to do it when I go to Black Friday just to do that deal. But these were 2 for $6. I had that $1 off coupon that we got in today's paper. I also had $1 off of 5 Hershey Kisses CRT, and then I had the $2 off CRT that's printing for everybody. So I ended up paying just $2 for these, so I think that's a pretty good deal for $1 a bag. And these are the caramel kisses, which I absolutely love, so I got those just for myself. But Yes, that was my haul. Not the greatest, but I've actually got more food items this time than anything else, which I was actually excited about, to get some decent food items. So I wanted to let you guys know on that. But with my one card, my total came to 49 cents, so that's all I paid was 49 cents. I ended up using $21 of ECBs, but I did receive $13 back, so that total came to $8.49, but I still think from what I actually paid out of pocket is the better deal. My new card, I ended up paying just 29 cents. I used up $7 worth of ECBs, but I got $8 back, so that became a 71-cent moneymaker. So if you add both totals together, it came to $7.78. I got 27 items for just 29 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty decent deal. But yeah, definitely do that. I am going to do a Black Friday ad. I'm going to go to CVS the morning of Thanksgiving before we go out of town. We're going to my parents' house that lives about up north, about 2.5 hours. So I'm going to hurry up and do that video. I'm not going to do any breakdowns for you because you guys can see the breakdowns in the ad, but I'm going to do the video for you, and then we're going to get going, and then later that day I'm going to reveal what I'm having, and I still don't know what I'm having. I have the piece of paper. I have it written down. Wednesday I'm going to the party store and asking to put some balloons in a box. I don't want to know what it is. I want to be surprised just as everyone else is. So yes, I will be making that video, so you guys will have to stay tuned for that video. I'll be either posting it Thursday, Friday, or Saturday. I don't know what day I'm going to post it. All depends on how well it goes, but wanted to share with you guys on that. But yeah, just want to say thanks for watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next week and later this week for some more CVS hauls. See you guys later, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.